Hi, I'm outside one of my first ever visits to a modular ADU. That's going to be an accessory dwelling unit that's built completely off-site in almost like clean factory conditions. They try to make it the most efficient build possible, and then they kind of drop it off on the property. Today's visit is with Mighty Buildings, and they are specializing in 3D printed structures. They're still in stealth mode, so I can't show you everything that I saw in the factory. A lot of the robots and cool 3D printing equipment are off limits for now. So thought I would start by showing you around a 350 square foot unit that they've already got produced in that facility. The inside of the unit, you can see it's a studio, one big open room with a kitchenette, and then the bathroom adjacent. Everybody wants to know how the Murphy beds actually work. It's a really important thing that you're going to do twice a day. So this is their pull-out solution. You can leave all the stuff on the desk, and it just eases out. They even let me jump up and down on the bed, which worried them a little bit, but you know, technology. So the starting price on that shell of a 356 square foot studio modular is $99,000. And once you pay for permits, entitlements, and foundation and site work, utility connections, installation, delivery, Mighty Buildings expects somewhere between $164,000 and $207,000. Off-site, prefab, modular, kit installs, all of these are interesting solutions to how we can eventually get a lot of scale out of accessory dwelling units in addition to custom construction.